government think of the World Bank report that based on 3 multi-country assessments, Philippine students are faring poorly in math, reading, and science even before COVID, and the crisis in education will have been made worse by COVID?
Well, that is very disturbing po and very alarming. And I'm sure Secretary Ling Briones and her team at the Department of Education will sit down and study as well as discuss ways forward upon receiving this World Bank report. Pag po kayo mag-alala, pag-aaralan po mabuti natin kung ano yung sinasabi ng report at titignan po natin kung paano natin mababago ang ating curriculum, lalong-lalo na sa panahon po ng pandemya.
Second question po niya, since face-to-face classes are out of the picture for now, what interventions will it do to improve the quality of education and address other concerns such as students' low growth mindset and poor nutrition?
Well, sa poor nutrition po, no, I was the author in the 17th Congress of the masustansyang pagkain para sa mga kabataan, no. Although wala po tayong face-to-face, tuloy naman po yung programang yan, dinideliver po sa ating mga kabataan yung masustansyang pagkain at dinagdagan pa po natin ang libreng gatas na programa, no, para dun sa mga kulang na timbang. Pagdating po sa mga innovations, palagi naman po nag-i-innovate ang ating Department of Education. We are on blended learning po. We utilize modules, we utilize TV, radio, as well as computer-aided forms of educational material po. No? But I'm sure that the process of adapting to the new normal continues, and the Department of Education will continue to introduce innovations.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.